Hello guys and welcome to our last and final episode of our Sardinia travel series. This time, we already left La Maddalena. We are now exploring some other amazing places near Olbia. So we're gonna start at a place called Cala Spinosa. We've been here 4 years ago and we super loved the place, so we decided to come back here. But this time, we came a bit earlier because it's super hard to find a parking space here if you arrive around noontime. So we don't want to make the same mistake we did before. Right next to the cocktail lounge, there's a little path going down to the hidden beach. As you can see, the beach isn't really easy to get to. It's quite an adventure to go down and up. It's quite rocky and it's really steep, so make sure to wear a shoes or a slipper with a strong grip. But the beach is really beautiful and the scenery is so stunning. It's like a hidden gem. But it was still around 8:30 in the morning when we arrived here. It's still cloudy and the water was still chilly and we didn't feel like going swimming yet, so we just walk around first. There's also a lighthouse above and a little hiking trail. Aside from the hidden beach we've checked out earlier, there's also another favorite swimming spot here. There's stairs, so it's way more easier to get to. It was really cool because we got to enjoy the spot just for ourselves and it was already warm enough to enjoy the crystal clear water, and we ended up staying here longer and enjoyed snorkeling. Finally, the sun came out, the skies were bluer, and it's also warmer. We went back down to the hidden beach one more time and enjoyed the beautiful water and the scenery. You would really appreciate even more the beauty of the rock formations, the overall landscape with its extra turquoise watercolor when it's super sunny. It's just so beautiful to look at. And this was our last accommodation before flying back home. It's an apartment type accommodation. There's a huge kitchen. The balcony view is so nice. Plus, there's a pool. And the location is really great. It's just near the Olbia airport, about 10 kilometers away. It is also located near the stunning beach of Porto, Istana, such a huge and popular beach near Olbia. We came here after Cala Spinosa. And the view of Isula Tavolara is also breathtaking. And that's also the time we decided to book a boat trip to Tavolara the next day. So the trip duration was between 15 to 20 minutes. And we took, by the way, the first ferry trip from Porto, San Paulo around 8:30 in the morning. And we paid 20 euros per person. It's already a two-way ticket.
Today's one big commotion. I'm being carried by the wake. So hold me like an ocean. I need your soothing motion. Please help me take the pain away.
It was still so calm, peaceful, and chilly when we arrived here, so we thought that it would be nice to walk around first. Maybe we can find some other beautiful spots to go swimming. So here on this side it's rocky, but the view is amazing. You can spot the other islands. There's another island, I forgot the name, but it's also really beautiful. And there are also people go on hiking up to the mountain, but we're not gonna be doing that because it's too hot and we are not fully equipped. I love walking around here, guys. It's so beautiful. There's lots of little wildflowers around, and you can only hear those birds and some insects flying around. It's so beautiful. It's like a wildlife sanctuary. And I love the fact that most of the places we've been to are all protected areas. So, and then there's a beach there. You see that? So we're gonna go there and cool off since I'm feeling so warm right now. We've been seeing part of Tavolara mountain from almost every beaches we've been to here in Sardinia. Especially if you're on the north side of the island, you can really spot it almost everywhere. As always, the watercolors never disappoint us, and it's really calm as well. We're just feeling so wonderful to spend our last day here in Sardinia, here on this amazing island. You can definitely spend a whole day here without getting bored. You can do snorkeling, hiking, sunbathing, diving, and so on. And we're back to the main beach area. It's so beautiful here. I love the color of the sand. It's like pinkish, copper-ish color. It's so beautiful. It looks like pink color from afar.
Like an ocean, I need your soothing motion. Please help me take the pain away. No way to change our yesterday. No way to change. Stayed in but felt so far away.